Welcome to our exploration of designing powerful role centers in Dynamics 365. Learn how to craft user-centric role centers that enhance everyday workflows and streamline user experiences. In this video, we'll delve into the design principles and considerations for creating effective role centers that empower users to navigate and interact with Dynamics 365 efficiently. Role centers are the entry point for users, providing a personalized homepage tailored to their specific roles and responsibilities. We employ a user-centric design approach to ensure that role centers are intuitive, engaging, and focused on the tasks most critical to each user's daily work. Role centers can be tailored to different user roles, such as business owners, department leads, and information workers, and many more. Let's explore some key development tips to consider when designing role centers. Avoid grouping parts in the content area to allow for seamless flow and adaptation to different screen resolutions and mobile devices. Prioritize headlines, followed by cues, and then the remaining parts to achieve optimal readability and discoverability. Role centers primarily focus on defining navigation, actions, and parts. Complex logic should be handled outside the role center page code. Role centers provide flexibility, allowing for optional navigation, actions, and content. You can even have a single part filling the entire workspace. Role centers serve as an ideal platform to onboard new users. We'll explore how to incorporate a welcome banner and checklist. The welcome banner and checklist guide new users, introducing them to essential activities and finalizing company setups. Role center pages adapt to various display targets, including mobile devices, to provide a consistent and optimized user experience. You can preview how your role center will appear on mobile devices directly in Designer. On mobile devices, there are limitations on the number of cues and parts displayed. We'll examine how Dynamics 365 optimizes the sequence in which content is loaded to enhance responsiveness and reduce sign-in time. Content is loaded sequentially, prioritizing navigation and actions, followed by parts from top to bottom. To optimize performance, consider hiding secondary content parts and utilizing page background tasks for heavy processing. With these design principles and techniques, you can create role centers that facilitate efficient workflows, enhance user engagement, and empower your team to make the most of Dynamics 365. By following these guidelines, you can design role centers that empower users, streamline processes, and maximize the potential of Dynamics 365. Subscribe to GOMS Tech Talks channel for more videos.